Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
India is providing safety certification for dozens of ships managed by a subsidiary of top Russian shipping group Sovcomflot. Official data showed enabling oil exports to India and elsewhere after Western certifiers withdrew their services due to global sanctions against Moscow. World stock markets and oil prices hit skids as persistent palpitations about rising interest rates and recession struck again, while the Japanese yen hit a fresh 24-year low against a seemingly unstoppable US dollar. Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, today announced a new office in Toronto that will serve as a new engineering hub. The new office will be Ripple's first in Canada, supporting its continued growth in North America and beyond. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. NIO shares gained 2.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The UK's public sector net borrowing will be released at 0600 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. And the Irish consumer confidence at 23:01 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 130 hours GMT, and the French business climate in manufacturing at 06:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.